In your own words, give a definition for the year 2020. Yeah.
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus.
How many steps will it take?
Alright, so this is the story of a boy who decided one day to just get up and walk with his grandmother on the road. Approximately 6:30 in the morning, about 6:15, and walking on the road, and he decided to carry his phone with him and record it. And he decided to make a video about it. So if you enjoy this video, just watch till the end. Tell me what you think. If this post, just like it. You already know the drill. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. And comment in time 10, 15, 100. Yeah, don't know go. No joke. Just enjoy the video. Just enjoy yourself.
It's a regular part coming out. You can't run. Go in. Slow jack. Yeah, man. What is that? Oh, and just slow jog. Yeah. What shoes that, man? You should have been better shoes, man. This is a flip flop, that. That's a flip flop. Now I can't know more than 100 meters. Walk briskly. Walk briskly.
I mean, I walk briskly. You don't walk briskly on this?
I walk briskly, you know. As your foot then shot, man. Yeah, man, let me show you a mental. So when you walk fast, you move your, just like a boy record. So you move your yes, move your hand them, and just move forward. You're gonna see how fast you shoot. Yeah. 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 Like this. Yeah, man. You like you can't, you don't know how walk fast though.
It's a Kamau, big guy. Look here, look now.
No, it's well girl, man. Yeah, man, look at the weather in Jamaica right now, yeah? Christmas is coming. Place getting chilly, huh? Come to Jamaican Christmas. This is what you'll get and see. Especially if you never come here in a long time, huh? Yeah, man. Ho, ho, ho! BMW. It's a Beamer. In your own words, give a definition for the year 2020. Yeah.
Rough.
Rough.
Rugged.
Rugged.
Excited.
How excited?
Dramatic.
Yeah.
Full of surprises. Full of panic. Eye-opener. Memorable.
That's it? Yeah, so compare the year 2019 to 2020.
Vast difference. Vast difference.
Yeah, so let us know what is the difference, huh?
2020.
Yeah.
2019 was so different. We were able to move around. We
Yeah.
didn't have any fear of such.
Not at all.
The economy was better.
Huh?
You were more free in mind, in spirit.
And in truth.